everyone, I hope you're all well. So I got a few things from Zara and Mango which I want to show you guys. I've seen that a lot of YouTubers do try on haul videos now, and I think that's so much more useful rather than just holding up the clothing and showing you guys what I got. So I'm going to do try on hauls from now on, and this time it's actually an unboxing video as well, since I ordered stuff from Zara for the first time today. So I wanted to show you guys like my first impressions and what I thought of the whole service and everything. I actually got stuff from Mango a while ago, and I did the unboxing video in a more of like a vlog kind of style because I wasn't able to sit down and do a whole video on it. So I will include what I got from Mango at the end of the video so you guys can see that. But right now let's get into what I got from Zara. The good thing that I really like about the Zara online service is it's really quick delivery. It's literally the next day within Australia, I think it is. And it is free delivery over $75, and I think free returns as well, which is fantastic. I love free returns because especially when you're online shopping, sometimes things just don't fit you the way you thought it would, or you know, you're just not happy with it, and I just like that option of being able to return it. All the stuff that I got is actually on sale, which is great because it's end of financial year sales right now. It's winter sales. Oh, it comes nicely wrapped as well. It's got tissue paper, which is nice, and a little sticker. Okay, so this is the first item, and it is a raincoat. It's like a trench coat raincoat. The reason why I was really drawn into this was the color of it. It's kind of like a desaturated beige color, almost leaning towards a gray color, and I really liked the details in it. I like this really pointed collar. It kind of reminds me of the Calvin Klein shirts that Raf Simons is doing right now. And I also like these silver buttons. It's like a more modern take on your traditional trench coat. And the only thing I didn't like was the gingham sleeves. Now what I was thinking of doing with this is actually just folding it, because I don't like gingham, and I'm not going to start now like that so it's not as noticeable. It has a belt, and I got this in a size medium, and the price of this is originally $140, but it went down to $99. Okay, so first things first, it doesn't have much structure, and I think it's because it's a raincoat sort of material, but it looks really big on me. Like, it makes me look a lot bulkier. So far I'm not a fan, to be quite honest. I'm a little bit disappointed. So I just tried cinching it in, and it just doesn't look good, you guys. This is a no from me, which is really sad. I was actually really looking forward to this. This is the back. I haven't gotten any nice jackets recently, so I really wanted a nice like jacket that I can just wear to uni that was casual. It wasn't like a super formal like nice coat. Yeah, but this definitely is not it. Let me just take this so you guys can see it a bit better. This is what it looks like. Yeah, no, definitely not. I think it's honestly just the shape of it. I hate when the seam of the shoulder is not where your shoulder is supposed to be. The seam isn't on the shoulder area, it's like a little bit down. That is unflattering for someone who doesn't have broad shoulders. So the next thing that I got are a pair of shoes. It came in a little dust bag, which is nice, and they're just a pair of mules, and I've been wanting a pair of mules for the longest time, but I never found the right one. These just look like that. They are a satin material. It's really cute. It looks like a ballet flat, except it's like a mule version, and it even comes stuffed, which is nice. I got this in a size 37, and these are originally, I think they're originally like 45 bucks, and I got them for like 30, I think. So I'm hoping these fit me, but they don't look like they would. This is such a fail. Okay, they're nice. They've got really good grip on the sole, which I thought I should mention, because this material is like Slip City, so it's good that they have this grip. Okay, I'm gonna try them. They're quite adorable. They actually fit me perfectly, like legit perfectly, and they're comfortable as well. They've got a little bit of padding on the sole. They look a little bit like the Balenciaga knife flats, so I like them. So that's a success, thank God. Okay, the last thing that I got are a pair of jeans. These are a pair of straight jeans. I've been wanting like straight flared-ish black jeans for a while. I got this in a size 40. Now that I'm looking at it, they look pretty big. So we're gonna try this and see how it looks. Let's turn off the camera for a second. So these are the jeans. I do like them actually. I am gonna keep them. I like how they are straight but just a little bit of flare, not too much. Don't know. Do you reckon it should be a bit shorter? These were only like $35, I think. So this is what the whole outfit looks like with everything that I just bought. So here are the jeans, here are the shoes, and here is the coat. This is an outfit that I would actually wear. I am keeping the jeans. I'm just gonna alter them a little bit because I don't like how they touch my actual foot. When it comes to like pants, there's a certain length that I like them at. If they're gonna be, you know, flared or straight, I like them a little bit shorter, at least not touching my foot. And if they're gonna be really long, then I like them longer than, you know, my whole foot, like to the floor. I'm very picky like that, but yes, so I will be returning the coat, definitely. Such a shame because it's nice, but it's not for me. Not for my body, not for my shape. So that is all for my Zara haul and unboxing video. I know that it seemed probably a little bit like a fail. I don't know, would you call it a fail? I mean, I'm keeping the shoes. I'm still deciding if I want to keep the jeans or not. I'm gonna go and try it on with a few other pieces. But that's it really. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will now show you guys a clip of what I got from Mango. Okay. Oh, it comes with a hanger. How bougie. I ordered 2 things. Oh, okay. I see you. And here is the other piece. Okay, interesting, interesting. So here's my little impression. Just a really small one. Okay, it feels nice. I ordered them in both L sizes. I'm usually like an M for blazers, but I like to go for a bigger size just because I like the more loose look. The lining is your traditional blazer lining, and the material is like a cotton, just like a cotton blazer. This one is like a crepe chiffon material. It's like that. Can you guys see that? That crepe chiffon. I am gonna try these on. This is amazing. It's the perfect size. I'm so glad I got L. So it has like this detail, this contrast stitching detail, and on the top as well. And it feels like a real blazer. Like even though it's a chiffon material, it doesn't feel cheap. It feels really like nice and thick on the collars, on the lapels here. The shoulders are really nice and padded. I am in love. Like it is the perfect length. It's the perfect fit. It's so comfortable. I don't feel restricted at all. It's a perfect black blazer for me. I don't like those traditional black business blazers that are like short and super tight. I think they're actually hideous. I like these kind of blazers. I just really love the buttons. It's like your modern black blazer. The white buttons make it look a little bit more casual, and the contrast stitching gives it that design element. They've done an amazing job. The tailoring on this blazer is really nice. I might get my arms taken in a little bit because I do have short arms, which is a normal thing for me, like for blazers to be tailored. And I just paired it with my new Zara trousers as well. These are like flared with like little cutouts in the front. Then I just paired it with my white Common Project. So they do actually have a beige version as well, which I will link below. I wanted to also show you guys how it looks draped. It also looks really good, which is perfect for like photos and whatnot. This is the next blazer, and as you can see, it's a little bit more long and a little bit more fitted around the arms. Now mind you, this is also an L, but it seems to be a bit more fitted. I think it might be the material. This is like a thick cotton material, so I guess it's not as easy to move around, and it's a little bit tight in the back as well. This is why I don't usually purchase blazers that are cotton material, because they tend to gather around the sleeve. See, I really don't like that. I like it to just drape nicely. That really bugs me. I think that looks messy. I guess it's just a natural material that makes it crease a lot. It doesn't feel restricting and tight at all. It just like looks tight around the arms, and that's what I don't like. So I will be returning it for that matter. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like watching my videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. And yeah, thank you always for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.